Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we have this new Royal Enfield Himalayan BS6 Lake Blue variant. It comes in 6 different colors with certain price differences. Let's take a walk around of the bike before getting into specifications. Overall, the bike is stunning and very comfortable to ride in all conditions, whether it's off-road or on-road. You feel more confident while applying brakes at higher speed, and clutch is also very smooth now. BS6 model retained its power with some improvements like switchable ABS, refined engine and hazard light indicator. Talking about the seat, it's very soft and comfortable for long rides with plenty of space for rider and pillion. Now let's talk about the engine. A Royal Enfield Himalayan comes with 411cc air-cooled single-cylinder 4-stroke engine with electronic fuel injection for better fuel economy. In BS6 model, the power has been reduced from 24.5 bhp to 24.3 bhp at 6500 rpm, which is very minute and it will not make much of a difference. And the best part is that the torque is same, which is 32 Nm at 4000 to 4500 rpm. It has a very great suspension, comes with telescopic 41mm forks, 200mm travel in the front and monoshock with linkage 180mm wheel travel in the rear suspension. Now let's talk about the tires. You get 90 by 90 21 inches tire in the front with 300mm disc brake and 120 by 90 17 inches tire in the rear with 240mm disc brake. Both are tube tire, not tubeless. BS6 also comes with dual channel ABS, which is switchable to single channel, and that is great for off-roading or if anyone likes to perform any stunts. It still has standard halogen headlamp, and we were expecting to get a LED, but we would have to settle it with halogen headlamp. In the new BS6 Himalayan model, you get hazard light, which is a good improvement, and it was not available in the previous BS4 models. The instrument cluster looks good. You get odometer, tachometer, compass, temperature readings, and also the acceleration meter is there. Also the gear shift indicator and the button to switch off the ABS in the rear wheel, and there is also a strip start button. On the right hand side of the handle you get engine kill switch, electric start button and hazard light. On the left hand side you get side indicator, horn, headlamp switch, etc. You also get standard Himalayan wind blast protector in the front, as there is no change in that from the previous model, but the rear view mirrors are very bad. I would recommend you to change it. It's a very heavy bike and the curve weight is 199 kgs with 90% of fuel and oil. It has a fuel tank capacity of 15 litre, which is awesome for long rides. It looks very big as compared to Impulse X from Hero. The seat height is 800 mm and the ground clearance is of 220 mm. Riding in upright position is also very comfortable. Now let's hear the throttle sound. This is an absolute beast. Overall, it's best adventure tourer in India so far, which makes your adventure more comfortable and memorable. Talking about the stand, Royal Enfield claims that the new stand is of better quality and sturdy, hence can withstand more weight, gives you more confidence when you're touring with all the heavy luggage. They've also changed the Himalayan logo from engraved to embossed silver logo, which also looks very great. It's available in 6 colors, that is Granite Black, Snow White, Sleet Grey, Gravel Grey, Rock Red, Lake Blue, wherein the Lake Blue and the Rock Red being the expensive one. The ex-showroom price is 1,94,151 for the Red Rock and Lake Blue, and on-road price depends upon the state where you are buying the bike. So this was the overview of the brand new Royal Enfield Himalayan BS6 Lake Blue variant. Soon I'll be posting videos on mileage, user experience, and also about the modification and the accessories for a long adventure ride. So if you think the video was helpful, please let me know by hitting like, and let me know in the comments what kind of modifications I should do to make it more comfortable. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and share it with riding partners. See you in the next vlog.